Tim, what you making today?
Well, my dear mother got me a George Foreman for my birthday, and I decided my first meal that I ever make is chicken. Very simple, you know.
That sounds great.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that'll go good with the chicken. Step number one. I'm gonna get all your ingredients. You know what I'm saying? Nutmeg, bacon. What else? Vanilla, oatmeal.
Jesus.
Chicken oatmeal.
You have to think outside the box. I watch enough Chop to know that like all these can be used in some type of way. Salt. Step one, you gotta thaw it. You gotta plug in your George Foreman. Yeah, that looks good. First and foremost. Imagine on Chop Chef, they're like, Chef Tim is still.
He's still getting his chicken dog. Chef Michael and Chris are plating their food. Tim is still taking his chicken out.
I made you a hard chicken with a water
With a water glaze.
On a water glaze. It's a bit hard.
It's not cooked.
And this is constructive criticism.
I was telling you what's on your plate. In times of trouble, we do have a microwave. Do not put the entire thing of plastic and styrofoam in the microwave.
What do I do?
You're supposed to break it off. No, Tim, if a tool does not work, use what God gave you. Get 2 hands. Wash them first.
God's like, seriously.
Yeah, no. Make the chicken. Okay.
The rain will continue until you make the chicken.
The famine will last.
You got coronavirus until you finish this chicken.
Oh my God.
We're gonna be real serious.
Also, Tim, I would unplug this until you have the chicken prepped.
Are you chef?
Oh, you're right. You're right. Either actually stab it, like bring it down like you're killing someone. Okay, stop.
First casualty. Get up my When Chef Tim threw the hot water.
I feel so disrespected.
I felt.
Finally, after many tries.
Step number 2.
You drown it.
You're beating the chicken into submission. That's why it's called chicken. It's chef talk. This is so nasty.
How do you think the chicken felt?
I hope it was quick for him. I hope he didn't go through like, the ringer. Like
He was gassed.
I'll never talk.
A chicken being interrogated for what secrets did the chicken have?
I really don't have a recipe. That's why I never write my stuff down because I just feel it.
Oh, the dough?
The chicken talks to me. It's already cooked in the way.
That's why it's already cooked.
She's blushing.
Dude, we should have bought like an actual made chicken breast. And, like just went full.
KFC.
Imagine we had like that, like they open it up to fried chicken just in there.
So pizza.
I think I did this wrong.
A
Chicken.
box of bacon ice. I don't.
It's a person.
First and foremost, I feel like salt is the base of all spices.
Okay, how much salt you want?
That much. You don't want to oversaturate it, you know what I'm saying? That's what I do. You ain't gotta do this. It ain't for everybody. It's not for everybody.
You know what? He gonna eat this by himself.
That's my pizza. Quick question for the chef. For your chicken personally, what is the standout flavor that you look for? Like a chicken must have what element?
A chicken must have love. It's in there. It's getting in there. It's getting in there.
Something's happening.
All-American chicken right there if I've ever seen one.
It is a chicken. Oh yes, a great value original. What if we're wrong, Frannie? What if we're wrong?
I don't care. They're still not fully cooked.
You know what, Frannie? I don't care. Smells good.
There's literally pink on the side.
Okay.
Like,
Oh my God.
you're not wrong.